thinking differently that brings satisfaction where you desire people, business, and life. Hi, my name is Mark Borisma, president of Synergy Solutions, and today we're going to present the Atomic Ripple Reaction Tree, or team, so ARRT, and being able to go through it. It's the power of 3 multiplied. If it seems like we're going over a lot of information, the reason it seems that way is because we are. You can pause it, absorb it, kind of internalize it as we go through. Today we're going to be focused in on the host role. Make sure that you write this website, this URL down, bookmark it, place it on an icon on your desktop on your computer. Do not be asking other people what this is, where this is. Don't ask twice. That's a waste of time. So you've been notified. Make sure that you write this down and be able to, so you can just click on it and go to the different roles at any time. Once you go to that URL, you will then see Engineer Clarity Community, the ARRT, and then you'll see buttons at the bottom. Go to the one that says ARRT Roles. Once you click on that, you'll then go ahead and scroll down to the host role. Now, it's very important that the fulfillment of the roles is key to all of our success in our ARRT tree. And so if we as a host don't do our role, pretty hard to expect other people to do their role. It's not going to work. So what is the role of the host? The host is the founder of the group. This individual, in the end, is responsible for the success of the entire group. This individual cares for the overall vision of the group, the vision of each ARRT member, and the blending of everyone's vision into something magical when you really think about it. The host is like a parent and is responsible to mentor the first 2 ARRT buddies into being the foundation of what's called the ARRT pod, which are the first 7 people in the ARRT tree. This creates something which we call is legacy strong, meaning it will last beyond our own lifetimes. Very powerful when you think about it. The host will mentor the first 2 ARRT buddies into caring about the next 2 ARRT ripples or generation, to care more about others than themselves, i.e. this is the magical part. Getting people to care about somebody other than themselves, let me tell you, that's not easy. So your role, your responsibility as a founder is to get role 1 and 2 to care about somebody else other than themselves. So check out the simple email when you go to this, and you'll be able to send it to your ARRT buddies and get them going on it. So don't make things complicated that are simple, and don't make things simple that are complicated. Now, how do you do this? I would encourage you personally. I'm going through this course myself, The Psychology of People. It's unleashing human potential. What does that mean? It's helping to create awakening within people. It's helping people to learn how to take ownership, not only for themselves, but for other people around them as well. It's helping people to learn how to work in a very different way, harder, smarter, but in a more effective way that brings value to everybody. And it's teaching people how to care, again, probably the hardest of the 4. Now, when we look at this, the first thing we need to do as a host is we need to be self-aware. That's what the Psychology of People, the course, is designed to do. It's to teach you, first and foremost, how to be aware of yourself. Most people think they're self-aware, maybe not as much as what they are. So we think we're more self-aware. Are you self-aware? I'm self-aware. Maybe not as much as you think you are. Next is to teach 2 other people how to be self-aware too, and you be self-aware in a different way. And so you start the ripple, the ARRT ripple out, so it starts to move itself, it propel itself out until all of a sudden it's beyond not only your own ARRT, but it's going to all the communities, all the connections, and it's expanding out rapidly in what we're doing. It's, again, unleashing potential, human potential, through quantum thinking that connects back into BOSS, DNA for life, DNA for business, DNA for people. It's using the leverage model: questions, listen, see, intentions, think, capabilities, internalization, do. It's unbelievable what we have to do, and we need, as a host, we need courses like this, because we're not going to teach this course honestly as a host. We don't have the time, we don't have the expertise, we're not able to do this, and so we need to use the resources that are available to teach people about the psychology of people, first learning about the psychology of themselves. Questions, connect with your ARRT mentor first and foremost, always do that, or your ARRT host as a secondary, or if for some reason you're not able to go ahead and connect with them, then you can call toll-free 888-230-2300. That's 888-230-2300. Or if you're calling in outside the U.S., you can call the U.S.-based number 630-393-9909. That's 630-393-9909. And always remember, we can accomplish so much more together than we ever could on our own. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.